Hi, I'm Jessica, Director of Treatment here at Timpanogos Hearing, and with your weekly tip, I want to talk about this right here, which is called a retention tail. And they come standard on every hearing device, and the retention tail is made so that it helps to keep it in place so it does not fall out of your ear. However, over time, your retention tail, it can become brittle and it can break. Don't worry, these are easily replaced, and we can do that with just a simple visit into our office. Also, if you are familiar and you clean your own hearing devices, when you're cleaning your dome and your filter, sometimes this tail, it can come off. So I'm going to remove this for you and show you what that would look like. So sometimes it can come off and we want to put it back together. So we want to make sure that we do it the correct way. So on your tail, it will just slide back over. You can see here there's an opening, and we're going to slide that back over the opening of the speaker. And so there's a flat part on the front of your tail. Let's see if I can hold that better. If you can see that in the front. And then on the back part, it's really thin. So you want that that bigger flat part as you're holding your hearing device facing you. You just want to slide that right over the top of the speaker. So I'm going to hold the tail. I'm going to slide that right over the top, just like that. And it fits right into place. And then you can see that retention tail is ready to sit back in the bowl of your ear. And if you hold your hearing device as if it's sitting in your ear, you're going to have a backwards 3. And that way you know that it's in the right direction. Then you can just put your dome back on, and there you have it. You have your tail back on your hearing device.